Hello, my dear students. How are all of you? I think you all fit and fine. Here I am Chandan Datta, and today I will teach all of you a very important topic. The topic is types of carbon atom in organic chemistry. So, whenever you are the students of 12th science, you may be CBSE board or JAC board or another Bihar board. So you should know everything about the classification of carbon atom. So basically there are four types of carbon atom. One is primary carbon atom, second secondary carbon atom, third tertiary carbon atom, and fourth one is quaternary carbon atom. So primary carbon atom it also called a 1 degree carbon atom, and secondary it also called 2 degree carbon atom. Tertiary carbon atom is also called 3 degree carbon atom, and fourth one is quaternary carbon atom is also called 4 degree carbon atom. So if you don't know, if you don't have any idea about primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary, so don't worry about it. Whenever I am here, I will tell you, I will teach you, I will make you understand very well. Okay, so don't worry about it. And this topic is belong to 11 chemistry, and if you know, so very good. So firstly I will tell all of you about the primary or 1 degree carbon atom. 1 degree carbon atom, that means a carbon which is attached with one carbon atom and 3 valency is complete with 3 hydrogen atom. So this is called primary carbon atom. So here this is the example of primary carbon atom. So this is the structure of propane, and here I will tell you which is the primary carbon atom. So here this carbon is 1 degree or primary carbon. So how it is a primary carbon? Because this carbon is attached with this carbon, this one carbon, and their 3 valency is complete with 3 hydrogen atom. So you can say it is a primary carbon atom. Okay, so if it is a primary carbon atom, if it can be primary carbon atom, so here also same condition, it may be primary carbon atom. How? Here same condition, this carbon is attached with one carbon for this condition, and their 3 valency is attached with 3 hydrogen atom. So another angle you can also say it is also primary carbon or 1 degree carbon. So propane may be 2 primary carbon. Okay, so another example I will give you another example. Okay, so here CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. Here it is, sorry, CH3. Okay, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. So here how many primary carbons? So this is a primary carbon or 1 degree carbon atom, because this carbon is attached with one carbon. Okay, and for this angle this carbon is also attached with one carbon and complete their 3 valency with hydrogen atom. So for another angle this is also 1 degree carbon atom. So I think you got it properly. So next one is secondary or 2 degree carbon atom. Firstly you have to know about the secondary or 2 degree carbon atom. So listen to me. The definition of secondary carbon atom is the carbon atom which is attached with 2 carbon atoms and rest valency, 2 valency is covered with or complete with another hydrogen atom. So this is called, that carbon is called secondary carbon. So again I will give example, same example, propane. Here this is a propane and this is a 2 degree carbon atom. Why? You can say why? Because this carbon is attached with one carbon and 2 carbon, and they complete their 2 valency with 2 hydrogen atom. So for this condition, this is a 2-degree carbon. So this is a tertiary carbon atom. So the definition of tertiary carbon atom is the carbon which is attached with 3 carbon atom and 1 valency is complete their 1 hydrogen atom. So that carbon is called tertiary carbon atom. So here is the example of tertiary carbon. Okay. That means here this is a tertiary. So this is the carbon. It is complete their bond with 3 carbon atom. 1 carbon atom here, second here 1 carbon, here 1 carbon, and 1 valence is complete 1 hydrogen atom. So therefore this is a 3-degree carbon atom, and it may be methyl. You can say, sir, can I take it ethyl? Yes, you also can take it ethyl. Here you can write it C2H5, C2H5, also C2H5, or here also H. Okay, you need 3 carbon, nothing problem. It may be the methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, nothing problem, but you need carbon, 3 carbon. Okay, and next, quaternary or 4-degree carbon atom. So firstly you have to know about the 4-degree carbon atom. The 4-degree carbon atom, that means the carbon which is attached with 4 carbon. That means a carbon which is complete their valency with 4 carbon atoms. This is called 4-degree or quaternary carbon atom. So take it example. So here this is the example of quaternary or 4-degree carbon. Okay, so the carbon which complete their valency with 4 carbon. So this is the 4-degree carbon atom. How? Because they complete their valency with 4. 1 is, 2 is, 3 and 4. They complete their valency with 4 carbon, and it may be the carbon is same or the carbon is different, nothing problem. It may be, here you can also say C2H5, you can also take it C2H5, and again you can C2H5. This is also quaternary or 4-degree carbon atom. So hope you all got it properly, and if you don't got it properly, so comment me in my inbox. I will again tell you in Hindi medium. Okay, so bye, take care.